reg meridians, accelerate blood circulation, recommended duration 15 minutes. Place arm flat. Push the outer side of arm with the connective area of thumb and index finger of both hands. Warm up the outer side of arm by rubbing with bent fingers. Put the arm inner side upward. Push the inner side of arm to armpit with huku. Warm up the outer side of arm by rubbing with bent fingers. Stroke arm to palm. Wipe treatment area with a towel. Repeat the same on the other arm. Lead operation. Enhance fat dissolving. Accelerate fat metabolism. Parameter setting. Recommended mode M1. Recommended time 2000 ins. Recommended energy 3. Take a strap select from short, medium, long straps according to individual size and fix it on arms. Insert the lead pads into the strap. Let it work for 20 minutes. Turn off the machine. Take out the pads, untie the straps and end. Note: avoid sauna, hot springs, or strenuous exercise after treatment. Take a shower 4-6 hours later after treatment. Keep warm. Do not eat cold, spicy, or stimulating food. Drink a lot warm water. Keep hydrating to accelerate metabolism. Take 1-2 sessions a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 12 sessions. Truncations, why men in period of pregnancy or lactation, people with heart disease or pacemaker, people with unhealed wound from a surgery or in the recovery period, people suffering from epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, people suffering from skin disease or infectious diseases,